Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set battery usage to unrestricted, optimized or restricted in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, open the app in which you want to make changes. And then here scroll down and click on battery. Now from here you can set the battery usage to unrestricted, optimized or restricted. So just simply tap on option to set. So that's how you can set the battery usage to unrestricted, optimized or restricted in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.